This was a blue shark bite I got 2 days ago. My buddy Nat Sampson called me up, and we went out, and a blue shark got a hold of my arm. I'm sitting here working on actually a shark, doing a mount on a shark and putting the jaws in, and my buddy Nat calls me up, Nat Sampson, and he tells me there's a blue shark in the bay. Off of Summerlin Key. So I go get in my truck, I get all my stuff, and I go over to Summerlin, and I go down by the bridge, and I told him, I said, I'll call you when I get down there. And he was actually right next to the shark the whole time he's talking to me on the phone. He's like, I'm gonna have to blow over there and pick you up, and then we're gonna have to go back and find the shark. So it was kind of like we didn't even know if we were gonna be able to even see the shark again after he had left it. So he came and got me, got all my stuff, and we blew over to the shark, and there she was, like this beautiful blue shark, 8-foot blue shark cruising in the flats. I never seen this before in my life, seeing a blue shark in the water. I was kind of excited, so I got right next to the shark like that, and got into her strike zone, and apparently she got upset with that, and she just whipped around and grabbed a hold of my arm, my shoulder, and she was fixing to take it off. So I had the camera in my hand, so I kind of just shoved it at her, and she let me go. I just saw her mouth open like that. Nat was really calm about it, and it was like we were kind of in focus. Look, let's just get to the doctor and see if he can make sure it's not going to bleed out or anything. So I jumped in my truck with Nat, and we drove down to Key West, and that's where they brought me in. I got super lucky. I didn't lose my arm. I mean, it was a really bad cut next to the artery. I have full mobility of the arm. It's been over a month, and it's healed up really good. This bite definitely has not stopped me from wanting to go back in and film sharks. This is what I do. This is my normal job. I accept the responsibility.